optimizing the value of land diversity through animal husbandry. Animal husbandry makes only discrete appearances in agroecology. However, farm animals present us with many opportunities to optimize the value of the land, whether it is cultivated or not, and of its products and byproducts. Farm animals, regardless of the species, consume plant byproducts that are unsuitable for human consumption, such as straw, oilseed cakes, brands, hulls, and pulps that result from grain or fruit processing. Pastoral herds, with animals essentially feeding on spontaneous vegetation naturally available on pastures, transform resources that are unfit for human consumption into highly valuable proteins and micronutrients. Omnivorous animals, such as pigs and poultry, can also procure a substantial part of their diet on rangelands. Farms that combine crops and herds are able to use animal dejections to improve the quality of the soil and fertilize the plants. We are going to explore the role of animal husbandry in agroecology in 3 steps. First, we will look into the diversity and the scope of the land areas that are used around the world to support farm animals. We will also describe the various processes through which these areas are used. We will focus our study on the ecological processes pertaining to the presence of grazing herbivores on the land. Not only do they occupy large areas in many regions of the world, but the physiological traits of ruminants in particular, cattle, sheep, and goats, play an important role in the way they optimize the value of the land they use. By contrast, omnivorous animals such as pigs and poultry are typically raised on small areas and mostly fed grain, byproducts, or industrial food processing or human food waste. We will not include them here. In a second phase, we will identify the land use optimization challenges that are raised by the presence of grazing herds and look into the agroecological levers that can be used to address them. Finally, you will be introduced to 2 different scenarios, one in France and one in Madagascar. For each one, you will be asked to identify the agroecological processes and levers that come into play. You will explain in a short essay the various practices that you were able to observe in each situation, and your essay will be evaluated by your peers.